Imagine you present a couple of slides in a meeting, virtual or otherwise. A lot of people click through slides and say, on the next slide you see. Now, how does this make me feel as an audience member when I listen to you? For starters, I might notice that you are being led by slides as opposed to leading the slides. That has an impact on me. Number one, it might be a bit dull because you just talk me literally through your slides. And secondly, and even more important, because you don't look in charge of how you present, I might be less trusting of the content you present. And we don't want that. Now, here's a little tip that transforms how you're perceived. When you come to an end of a slide or a section, before you click next, take a breath and provide a summary of the slide or the section you're about to finish. Then introduce the rationale for the next slide or section, and then click next. Now imagine I'm pitching about something, market entry of some product. And I just finished 4 slides on market dynamics. And before I go to the next slide, I would say, with this point, I'm concluding this part of the presentation, which really was around market dynamics. The next piece of the puzzle to decide if we should enter this market is really our competitors. To that end, we concluded some analysis. Let me talk you through them. Click. On this slide, you see the high-level outcomes of our competitor analysis. Can you see sort of by just when do I click to the next slide, I signal to the audience, I'm in charge, I'm in control, I know what's next. All you need to do that well is a list of chapters of your presentation in your mind. You can even have it printed out next to you. This creates a whole lot of value to the audience because very often the rationale of slides and sections in presentations can be really easily lost.